In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open Google Chat in Gmail. So I have my Gmail opened here. So let me show you guys how you can enable Google Chat on here too. Very much simple. Let's tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner. You can see the arrow on the screen. Now we scroll to the settings options here. You can see settings here. You see the arrow, just tap on that. Now select the mail you want to turn on that there. So I select this tutorial mail, and now let's scroll and you can see the general and you can see chat there. Just tap on the box to check that, and then we enable that, and good. After we check the box, Google Chat has been enabled in this Gmail, and you can see it here. So we tap on the chat option there. Good, and it's going to take us to the chat page, and we can get access to everything we need to know about the chat in Gmail. So let's tap on that. Good, and just like you can see I have couple spaces or groups here and some installed apps, and all of them are appearing here. So that's it on how you enable Google Chat in Gmail. If you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.